Imad, what is the name of this plant, beta? This one.
That is money plant. It is also called pothos.
Okay, and what is the name of this plant, beta?
Symbolium, this is snake.
What is the name of this plant, beta? This
Snake
one.
plant. It has long leaves like snake.
And what is the name of this plant?
This is pinwheel flower.
Pinwheel flower. Imad, what is the name of this plant? beta?
Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea?
Bougainvillea comes in many colors. Like red, rani pink,
Red, runny pink, and
light pink, white,
orange,
yellow.
Yes. And what is the name of these flowers?
Arabian jasmine.
Arabian jasmine.
That is Cape jasmine.
This is Cape
That
jasmine.
is Areca palm. That is
This is Areca palm.
white.
Go inside little bit.
that is one white and green.
White and
Different bakia that is.
Different bakia.
Different bakia is also called dumke.
Dumpkin it is also called. Correct. What is the name of this flower, beta?
This is Arabian jasmine.
Arabian jasmine. And what is this, beta?
Croton.
Croton. Right. Imad, what is the name of this plant, beta?
This is I don't know. Yes, I know because this is night blooming jasmine. It blooms at night. It falls at morning. It is called Hasingar, and that is Latki Rani.
This is Raat Ki Rani. And what it is called in English?
Night flowering jasmine.
Night flowering jasmine.
It gives nice fragrance at night.
Yes, it gives nice fragrance at night. And what is this?
Jasmine.
Yes.
This is spider plant.
Spider
It has legs like spider.
And what is this plant's name? This?
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
And this aloe vera